Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create King history video with AI. Okay, let's get into it guys. For today's tutorial, we're going to use Pixverse and also ChatGPT. We need ChatGPT to create a prompt and we need Pixverse to generate a video. Okay, first thing first, you can go to ChatGPT and then you can ask ChatGPT to create a prompt for you. And okay, ChatGPT has already made a prompt for me guys, and I asked ChatGPT to create scene by scene so we can generate the video scene by scene. Okay, I'm going to copy the prompt for scene 1 and then we're going to move to Pixverse. Okay, you can describe the content that you want to create here. I'm going to paste my prompt and we can choose the duration. I'm just going to choose 5 seconds, and for the ratio I'm going to choose this one because I want to upload it to YouTube. Okay, after you set your video, you can click on create and it needs 20 credits, but don't worry guys because we will get daily credits for free. We will get 60 credits for the daily credits. Alright, and let's start creating the video, and you can generate scene by scene. Okay, the video is being generated. Okay, and now my video is ready. This is how the video looks like, and then you can download this video by clicking on this download icon like this, and you can go back to ChatGPT and copy the prompt for scene 2. And then you can go back to Pixverse and generate new video. Actually, you can upload a photo as a reference, but here I'm just going to use text. Okay, and then you can click on create again. And you can repeat the step guys until you get the whole story. And after that, you can go to your video editor such as CapCut or Filmora to compile all the videos, and then you can add music and then add narration. It's up to you. And this is the second video or scene 2, and you can click on download to download the video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to create King history video with AI. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.